We are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here. And we got this Junction box that I'm gonna do a review on. We bought this off Amazon. Oh, the screws. Maybe they take these on. Oh, good. So the screws are inside. Here's the 4 screws, I think 5 screws. They give you an extra screw just in case you lose some. So this is the size of it. It's an 8x8. These are all the sizes that it has on the sides, so you guys can see. There are no cutouts on the back, but I'm not using the back, I'm only using the sides. So pretty much that's the part number and all the rest of it in there, if you guys can see that. And here's the cover right here. So the cover will go on just like this. Okay, so that's pretty much the full setup of what it's gonna look like. That's it. So you can leave the screws on so they come off very easily, and I'm gonna make the connections in there. That's about a review of the unboxing. I'm not gonna do any reviews of wiring up in here or anything like that. I mean, I'll poke one side out so you guys can maybe see how easy it is to poke it out, but that's all I'm gonna do. Very easy, pops right out. I can put a 1/2 inch size, box connector in there, 3/4 inch if you're gonna knock out the big ones and run some serious wire, amperage, whatever. So that's it. So I guess we'll end it right there, and maybe I'll come back and I'll show you a picture or whatever of the setup when I have everything out of it. I don't know, let me see how it happens later on. But that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, everybody enjoy. Be safe. Bye-bye.